Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a hard drive your main storage. First, it is crucial to back up all your important data from your existing drive to avoid any loss during the process. Next, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and a SATA data cable, ensuring it matches your motherboard's ports. Always power off and unplug your computer completely before you begin. Finally, remember to discharge any static electricity to protect your computer's internal components. Now, let's get to the physical installation. Begin by carefully opening your computer case. Locate an empty drive bay and securely mount your new hard drive using screws. Next, connect one end of a SATA data cable to the hard drive and the other end to an available SATA port on your motherboard. Finally, connect a power cable from your power supply unit to the hard drive. Double-check all connections to ensure they are firm and correct. With the drive physically installed, it's time to configure your computer's boot order. Restart your computer and immediately press the designated key, often F2, F10, Delete, or Escape, to enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. Once inside, navigate to the boot menu or boot order section. Here, you will set your newly installed hard drive as the primary boot device. After making this change, save your settings and exit the BIOS or UEFI utility to proceed. The final step involves getting your operating system onto the new drive. You can choose to perform a fresh installation using a bootable USB drive or disk, following the on-screen prompts. Alternatively, you might use a disk cloning software to migrate your existing operating system, including all your files and programs, to the new drive. If you migrated, remember to format your old drive for extra storage. Finally, install any necessary drivers and software to complete your setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.